U MLA ka Mawshynrut ba Methodist dekhar, ulai ka jingero ya U MLA ka Mawthadraishan ba Shakler warjri. Kumju iki bor penyat ka parti ki bala Ailad lang ya U ban yo obat ya ka Shuki menteri sorkar na ka benta arsnem shiteng. Habakran hadir baladap semai menteri uba Methodist ulayat hu bakum U MLA ka parti unyai beteng ban bud di neki mat rekam jaga parti nang ni syakmat kum U menteri sorkar.
See, I've just been inducted, and we don't know yet what is the portfolio that will be assigned to us. So, to me, so it will be a little unfair if I say that this is my priority. So let me first get the portfolio first, and then after that I will see what is the priority that we have. But having said that, keeping the portfolio aside, but being in the party HSPDP, the party as a whole, we have been always, we have a vision. The founder of the party HSPDP, late Mahoping Stoningdon, he had his vision since the inception of the party, that when we are talking about the border issue, the interstate border issue that we are still facing. So definitely, as a party, we'll be working on this, and we hope that we will be able to, this government will be able to settle the issue that we are facing till now. Secondly, when we are talking like the party as a whole, we have been focusing, and we wish, the party founder also have been voicing it out, that we wish to include our Khasi and Garo language in the age schedule. So this is also one of the issues that we will be pursuing. And then the demand of the party about ILP since the beginning. And this also is another issue that we will be pursuing as a party. So these are the few things that we will be, as a party, that we will be working, and we will, through this government, we'll try to push and voice it out whenever we get a chance and when we have the opportunity. And definitely about our constituency, when I get this opportunity from here, I would like to thank my people, the people of Mawshynrut constituency as a whole, and not only Mawshynrut, but I would like to thank the people of West Khasi Hills. I think West Khasi Hills, for quite some time now, we didn't get a chance to be in the cabinet, and from Mawshynrut constituency now, almost more than 20 years that we don't get a chance to be in the cabinet. So I hope with this induction of mine in the cabinet, it will inspire many of the people of West Khasi Hills, and particularly of the people of Mawshynrut constituency, and the supporter of HSPDP, and to all the people of Mawshynrut constituency. Thank him and thank the party as a whole. We have been working on this, with cordial discussion that we had with them, and I'm thankful to the party that to give me this opportunity to be the minister, and I really appreciate and thank my colleague Shakler, my predecessor, for gracefully paving the way for me to be in the cabinet, and I wish him the very best, wish him all the best, and we will always work together as one and as a team with the party as a whole.